Hey, welcome to Keen Venturers. So today's video is not about martial art, but we together take a journey of Kerala, God's own country. Kerala is God's gift to the Arabian Sea and is also famous for its medicinal plants and herbs. The major hill station in Kerala, Munnar, is blessed with the fruits of nature. The several hills, tea plantations are scenic and breathtaking. Also, its national parks, rivers, and lakes have made Munnar an essential tourist destination in India. Munnar is one of the coldest regions in the south of India, set at an altitude of 6,000 feet. You can stay in a tree house or visit the tea plantations for a surreal experience. You should also visit the spice gardens. Once you are in Kerala, don't miss Kathakali, the classical art form. Famous around the world, Kathakali's magnificence has won great admiration for the state of Kerala. This beautiful art form has originated from Kerala's shores over 300 years ago. It is a story play genre of art, but one distinguished by the elaborately colorful makeup, costumes and face masks that the traditionally male actor dancers wear. You can book for a show in Munnar or other parts of Kerala. You should also not miss Kerala's martial art with a legacy of more than 3,000 years. Kalaripayattu, the traditional martial art form of Kerala, is regarded as the oldest and most scientific of all martial arts in the world. Like most Indian martial arts, Kalaripayattu contains rituals and philosophies inspired by Hinduism. It is considered as the mother of all martial art forms in the world. The scenic backwaters of Kerala comprise of serene stretches of lakes, canals, and lagoons located parallel to the coast of the Arabian Sea. The backwater regions of Kerala are one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. The tranquil backwater cruises are a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Alappuzha, known as the Venice of the East, is especially popular for its houseboat cruises where you can soak in nature at its finest form. If you are recently married and planning for a perfect honeymoon destination, do consider Kerala. You can always get a spa with natural herbs in Kerala. Apart from that, Kerala is also famous for its elephant spa. Any elephant can just walk in and enjoy the facility. Elephants are also revered in this part of the world. They have an event known as Puram Gajmela, which translates to Festival of Elephants. The elephant processions gather the largest crowds with music, percussion, and classical dance performances accompanied by lots of frenzy. Some of these celebrations continue through the night and even last a few days. One can cherish the sight of elephants dressed up in gold and red silks. Varkala Beach is a blend of nature's beauty, which has been attracting a lot of tourist attention in the God's own country. Beautiful hill cliff formation along the beaches of Varkala is the only one of its kind in the whole South India. Hillcliff provides additional beauty to its beaches and helps in the continuous flow of steady wind to support sports adventures games like parasailing and windsurfing. Kerala cuisine offers a multitude of both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes prepared using fish, poultry, and red meat with rice, a typical accompaniment. Chilies, curry leaves, coconut, mustard seeds, turmeric, tamarind, and asafoetida are all frequently used. Kerala is known as the land of spices because it traded spices with Europe as well as with many ancient civilizations, with the oldest historical records of the Sumerians from 3000 BCE. One of the traditional Kerala dishes is vegetarian and is called the Kerala Sadhya, which is an elaborate banquet prepared for festivals and ceremonies. A full-course sadhya which consists of rice with about 20 different accompaniment and desserts, is the ceremonial meal of Kerala, eaten usually on celebratory occasion including marriages, Onam and Vishu. It is served on a banana leaf. I hope you found our video interesting and Kerala would be in your bucket list as next holiday destination. For Kerala packages, do check our website. Thank you for your time and see you for our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.